So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a gimbal-like stabilization on your Premiere Pro projects, on your Premiere Pro clips. Now for example, this is the video, and if I want to add the stabilization, the gimbal-like stabilization on it, all I need to do is to just simply, let's say if I quickly reset it. Now click on this option, just simply click on the window and make sure the effects is enabled. Now go to the effects panel, and here you need to search for warp stabilizer. Now once you do it right there, you can check the spelling and drag and drop this warp stabilizer to the video clip that you want to add the effect. For example, this one. Now here you can see the analyzing has started in the background, and under this section you can see it has started to analyze frame by frame, and you can check the time remaining here as well. Now once the analyzation is done, the stabilization has started and it has been stabilized much more than it was previously. So you can use this method to make the gimbal like effect directly on your Premiere Pro. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.